Hello everyone, welcome to this quick video about Hotspot Shield. This is a VPN review. Is this the best VPN or not? Let's see it. So this will be a really quick review just to show you what you can kind of see when you're using a Hotspot Shield VPN. So as you can see, Hotspot Shield delivers excellent VPN speeds across a large server network and intuitive apps. Sadly, it's not good for torrenting due to its logging practices, and it also stopped working with US Netflix, as you can see. So this is a very big con if you want to use Hotspot Shield VPN. This is something that you will have to use another VPN for the things that you want to, if you want to use it for torrenting or for working with Netflix, right? Now obviously, as you can see, here are some pros and cons, right? For pros, very good speeds, especially across short distances. Apps are free of IP, DNS, and web RTC leaks, right? Paid apps unlocks HBO, Hulu, DAZN, and allows torrenting, right? Large VPN servers network, 80 plus countries, and it's user friendly for most of the part. Now cons are there is no VPN kill switch on Mac OS. It doesn't often work in China, so if you're in China, you should definitely consider using something else. And then there are free app shares information with advertisers, right? Which is pretty bad if you want to keep your information safe. And it's also based in privacy unfriendly US, right? Now, obviously that's the case, right? Past controversies around the free VPN app. There are also some past controversies. So overall, I wouldn't really say my rating for this app is 8.2 out of 10 like they said it. I would definitely put it at 6 out of 10. It definitely offers some good stuff, but overall I don't think it's worth the money, and you will need to go with a paid version to accept torrenting and stuff like that. But overall, as you can see right now, it's not good for torrenting due to its logging practices, and it also stopped working with US Netflix as well. So overall, I wouldn't really recommend it. But if you used ever Hotspot Shield VPN, comment down below so that our viewers can see if this is worth it or not. Now, other than that, if you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.